What is modulation? Mention its types. For the purpose of electronic distance measurement, electromagnetic waves of shorter wavelength are best suited. But such waves are not suitable for direct transmission through atmosphere due to interference, reflection, scattering and fading. So to overcome this problem, the measuring is superimposed on carrier wave, and the modulated wave so obtained acts as an envelope. Thus, modulation is the process of superimposing the measuring wave on the carrier wave. Modulation can be done in two ways: amplitude modulation and frequency modulation. Amplitude modulation is used when light waves are used as carrier waves. In this method, amplitude of carrier wave is varied proportionally to the amplitude of the measuring wave. Thus, carrier wave has a constant frequency but modulated amplitude. Now let us discuss about frequency modulation. Frequency modulation is used in microwave instruments. In this type of modulation, frequency of the carrier wave is varied in proportion to the frequency of measuring wave. However, the amplitude of carrier wave remains constant and the measuring wave information is carried by varying the frequency of the carrier wave. Related terms are